If you're looking for a simple exercise that will strengthen your weak hand and improve the timing, let's do one right now. This is based on 16th notes. While I was warming up the other day, I tried dropping out the right hand, and it sounds simple, but it was actually more challenging than I expected, especially with a quarter note pulse on the metronome. So it sounds like this. Sounds pretty simple, right? But with a quarter note on the metronome, for whatever reason, it was pretty tricky for me. To help train my left hand to fall at the right spot with respect to the tempo, I went into my metronome app. This is Metronome Beats, and I found a little tool up top where I can put in how many pulses of the metronome I want, so I can have it be quarter notes. And what I ended up doing was picking a different sound and putting it on the E and the because we're working with 16th notes, and the left hand, or my weak hand, if it's your right, then it's that hand. So I put those in, leaving the quarter notes, putting the E and the and then it sounds like this. So that lets me hear where my left hand needs to hit. That's what helped me train my left hand. So that was pretty easy. So when I started to take away some of the E's and U's, it got more challenging. Take away the last measure. Okay, then take away the second two measures. So it just feels like when I have the quarter note there and my left hand is playing by itself on the E's and the U's, that quarter note on the metronome wants to pull my left hand onto it, and this gives me the discipline to keep my left hand going on the E's and the U's, so I am learning better timing with it, and I'm playing it more, so I'm making it stronger. Then take away the second measure. And then finally take them all away and see what you got. Okay, good luck with it. Now go ahead and click into the next exercise. Remember, use your mind to train your muscles and then bring it into the music. Make sure to subscribe for more lessons, and I will see you soon.